Make money from your old toilet roll. Got a pile of old loo roll tubes building in the corner of the bathroom? Some people are making good money selling toilet paper rolls online. Usually, the sight of a finished toilet roll would fill you with absolute despair, and rage for whoever was supposed to buy the next batch. But what if reaching the end of the loo roll was a sign of cash to come? Believe it or not, your laziness towards getting rid of those cardboard tubes could be about to pay off, big time. Some eBay sellers have been taking to the auction site to flog their cardboard loo roll tubes in bulk and earning a surprisingly decent amount of cash in exchange. So just how many people are selling toilet paper tubes and, more importantly, what are people actually paying for them? How much money can you make from empty toilet rolls? Looking to sell your empty toilet paper roll? Bizarre as it may seem, buyers are more than keen to snap up these tubes of cardboard. Whether it's for arts and crafts, gardening, making bird feeders or to use as toys for furry pets, they have many uses. While we once saw one bold seller flogging a box of 800 tubes for an impressive £48 plus £22 PNP, we're not even joking. Other, slightly more realistic, sellers are cashing in at around 10p per tube, give or take. While you're not necessarily going to become a millionaire this way, making any money for something you're likely to be collecting anyway, and would otherwise throw in the recycling bin, is definitely worth it. In fact, toilet roll tubes are some of the best things to recycle for cash. All you have to do is take a quick photo, post the listing on eBay and take them to the post office when they sell. Simple as that. And, if you want to reach a wider audience, you could try selling them on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree too. Tips for selling toilet roll tubes. Here are some top tips to make more money selling toilet roll tubes. Sell multiple loo roll tubes in bulk, collect as many as you can over a few months and sell lots in one package. A listing looks much more appealing when there's a mountain of the stuff on offer rather than just a few, and people seem keener to part with cash for larger quantities. Offer free, or very cheap, post and packaging. Asking for £22 PNP, is setting yourself up for failure. Ask around your local shops for decent, free, cardboard boxes to send them in, and pack them neatly. Neater looking collections go for a higher value. Try to add postage costs into your asking price so you can offer it for free, this will look much more tempting to buyers. Collect empty toilet roll tubes as a household, since everyone will be contributing in their own special way to producing the empty loo roll tubes, why not make the whole thing a combined effort? Get everyone to chip in a few quid, buy the toilet paper in bulk, look out for supermarket deals, but sites like Lorals.com have 36 packs for as little as £6.25, then use the money you make from eBaying the tubes to pay for the next round of bulk toilet paper. Ask for toilet roll tubes from others. Your neighbors will be tossing these tubes out every day, so ask them if they'll kindly donate to your entrepreneurial efforts to help get your numbers up.